Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise from various factors, such as a faulty battery, a damaged power port, or internal hardware failure. If left unattended, it could lead to further complications, potentially resulting in data loss or complete device failure. To begin this repair, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if that is the identified issue. First, let's safely open the device. Start by ensuring the laptop is powered down and unplugged. Attach your anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the Acer N19H2. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully insert the plastic opening tool into the gap along the edge of the back panel and gently pry it open. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Now that the device is open, you'll want to locate the battery. It is typically situated near the bottom of the device, connected by a couple of cables. Once you've found the battery, disconnect the cables gently by pulling on the connectors without tugging on the wires themselves. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it's essential to replace it with a new one. Remove the screws securing the battery in place and lift it out carefully. Then, take your new battery and place it in the same position, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery, it's time to close the device. Align the back panel with the base of the laptop and gently press down until you hear a click. Replace all the screws you initially removed to secure the panel in place. Finally, plug in the device and press the power button. If it powers on successfully, congratulations, you've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure your device is kept in a cool, dry place, avoid overcharging the battery, and perform regular maintenance checks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.